The first thing that you want to do is open up any web browser and go to Google. After that, search for SCMD Workshop Downloader and press enter. Over here, open the GitHub link and scroll down on the right side until you see releases SCMD Workshop Downloader. Then click on it and download the zip file. After that, once the file is downloaded, right click on it and click on Extract Files. Then select the directory where you want to extract it and press OK. Over here, open the directory where you extracted the files. Then double click on it and open SCMD Workshop Downloader 2. You will see its interface. After that, open a new tab, search for Steam SCMD and press enter. Over here, make sure to open the Valve Developer Community website. Then scroll down until you see Download Steam SCMD for Windows and click on it to download. Then open your download folder, right click on the downloaded zip file and click on Extract Files. Now go back to Steam Workshop Downloader 2 and click on the icon over here. Then select the Steam SCMD application you just extracted. You will see that it's loaded. After that, open the Steam community and select the file you want to download. Over here, copy the URL of the file. Go back to your Steam Workshop downloader, paste the URL and click on download. If you want to download multiple files at the same time, click on this option and select multiple games and collections.